So, recently we've been partnered with AverMedia and they have sent me some lovely goodies for me to look at. And today we're first going to be unboxing and opening this one. So let's get to it. Welcome in. So this is the unboxing of the Live Gamer 3 Extreme capture card from AverMedia. 4K capture card. Plug and play. Nice and simple. Looking forward to opening this for you. See what you guys think. Let's get it open. I'm a Damascus opening contrapment here. There we go. Put that away nice and safely. Ooh, popping. Ooh, so tiny. So tiny, look. I mean, I've quite big hands anyway, but got HDMI cable. Always comes in handy. I mean, I have tons, but it always comes in handy. Power cable. Some cards about needing assistance. That's really cool. And our quick start guide. I mean, it's plug and play, so it should be pretty self-explanatory. And that's the box. Ready? Okay. So yeah, an awesome bit of kit. I'm very, very happy with that. Very happy with that. And if you'd like to see a little bit more about this, or if you'd like to see reviews or a little bit more about the specs, I'll be making a video and that'll be up soon. Keep an eye out for that by subscribing and doing all the normal stuff. And I'll be using this on Wednesday and pretty much every Wednesday when I play Warframe and any other PlayStation game. So thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed. Ready? We're going to do this bit.